Hello, student programmers. Today, we're going to explore common mistakes that many JavaScript developers make, ranging from beginners to more seasoned coders. Understanding these mistakes is crucial as it can save you from hours of debugging and improve the quality of your code. By learning these examples, you'll be better equipped to write cleaner, more efficient, and error-free JavaScript code. So gear up for an insightful journey as we dissect each mistake, understand why they happen and how to avoid them. Now let's dive into the code. The first example demonstrates the common mistake of using double equals, equals sign, instead of triple equals, equal sign. The issue here is that equal sign performs type coercion, meaning it converts the values for comparison, which can lead to unexpected results. In our case, 5 inches, a string, is considered equal to 5, a number, which in many cases isn't the desired outcome. Always using equal sign ensures that both the value and the type are the same, preventing unintended type coercion. In the second example, the mistake lies in misunderstanding the scope of var. Variables declared with var are function scoped, not block scoped, which is contrary to let and const that are block scoped. This means that the variable I declared in the for loop is accessible outside of the loop. This is a common source of errors and confusion, especially when coming from other languages with different scoping rules. The third example highlights the difference between function declarations and function expressions. The mistake is subtle and often comes down to understanding hoisting in JavaScript. Function declarations are hoisted, meaning they are raised to the top of their scope and can be used before they appear in the code. Function expressions, however, are not hoisted in the same way, especially when assigned to variables. This can lead to issues if you try to call a function expression before it's defined. The fourth example is about the misuse of asynchronous callbacks, particularly with setTimeout. The mistake here isn't in the syntax, but in the understanding of asynchronous execution. New JavaScript developers often struggle with the concept that the callback function inside setTimeout will not execute immediately, but after at least the specified delay. This can lead to confusion when trying to sequence asynchronous operations, especially if one tries to use synchronous code patterns with asynchronous code. In our fifth and final example, the mistake is forgetting to return in a promise chain. When working with promises, each thenable should return a value or another promise. However, in the example, the new promise created in the first. Then, method is not returned, leading to undefined being passed to the final. This is a common pitfall that leads to broken promise chains and unexpected results in asynchronous JavaScript code. In this tutorial, we explored 5 common JavaScript mistakes that vary in complexity. Understanding these mistakes and how to avoid them can greatly improve your coding practices. Let's reflect on how these examples relate to broader programming concepts. Extensibility, writing clear and correct JavaScript is crucial for building large, scalable applications. Avoiding such common mistakes makes your code more predictable and easier to extend. Reusability, clean code promotes reusability. By understanding and avoiding these pitfalls, you create more modular, reusable code components that can save you and your team time in the long run. Efficiency. Efficient code is about more than just performance. It's also about writing in a way that prevents bugs and simplifies maintenance. Understanding common pitfalls is a step towards writing more efficient JavaScript. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.